Welcome back, guys. This is part 2 of the install for Manny's exhaust. Yesterday, you saw we installed his new Tomei exhaust with the catless NVIDIA downpipe and everything. So it's basically straight piped all the way back now. So today, what we're going to do is show you the difference between his equal length headers and his unequal length headers. So with no further ado, let's just jump right into it, guys. Can't even hold this thing with one hand. It's just heavy.
Huh?
Your other header is like mad heavy.
That's heavier than unequal because you'll see why the sound's different in a second when I pull this off. But this one's all.
Out with the old, in with the older.
Yeah, really. This is the first time I ever bought it.
Which brand is this?
That's Agency Power.
Agency Power?
Yeah, I like it because of these. Just everything about it is just nice. It's built nice. I like this is what this 4-to-1 collector is what makes it that really rumble. Plus this really sharp end.
Mm-hmm.
But that's what makes it really loud.
This bend right here?
Because think about it, the shorter it is, the louder it is.
Yeah.
So because that's so short, it's just fucking. So then with this one, they're all equal. So it's just this even tone out the back.
Yeah.
Plus this is gonna match up to my that matches up to my outpipe perfectly, but that's a pairing outpipe. So.
Oh, so that's gonna match up perfect then.
Yeah. This is why I bought everything together. Because everything was pairing for everything.
Parent pan boy, that's like you
Yep, exactly.
Fucking tall ass. Just hold, like my car, just hold it down.
Hold down, it's like 50, it's not like 5,500, so it's kind of high.
Alright.
Holy shit! Ow! Ew!
That's what I'm saying. That shit hurt my ear right away. Oh my god.
Car though, like it's not even like Mikey when he got behind it.
Yeah.
He's like, bro, it doesn't even sound like a Subaru anymore. It's just like all you hear is just
that. Yeah.
I'm so fucked. I'm so fucked. Hold on,
I mean, I know it's not really two-stepping, but that shit's still loud. I feel
Wanna go for a ride?
Huh?
Wanna go for a ride?
Yeah. Why not? Cheers. About to take this beast out. I think this thing could spit flames at some point. Nah, she could stay there. Fuck her. This is me time now. In the Subaru natural habitat over here right now. Nothing but snow and ice. Jesus Christ. This thing is crazy.
Yeah, it's a little loud.
It's not too bad in here right now, though.
I'm not giving you any gas.
Huh?
I'm not giving you any gas.
Right? I didn't notice that.
Like, now the fuck
Yeah.
the car. Get in here and then.
Someone's gonna be like, yeah, I was at a car meet and
They had this set up and it was loud.
there was a 95 Subaru WRX louder than that. And I'll be like, yeah, okay.
Yeah, straight pipe. And this is
Yeah.
a straight pipe, literally.
Yeah, this is, yeah. Like my Honda Civic with the fart can is way louder than that. I get pulled over 5 times a day.
Fuck this.
Oh my god. I'm over here trying to film this boost gauge and I got thrown back in my seat. Toshiba. Alright. It's not bad.
Sounds completely different.
Yeah, that definitely helped quiet it down.
It's still loud though.
Oh yeah, but I feel like now it's like more of a, like a common Subaru loud.
Yeah.
Before it was like obnoxious but still nice. That's nice. It just does that naturally now, or is that
That's only if I rough match.
Yeah. That's like our cars. Not as much.
That's like ticket worthy. If I do that and I run a cop, I'll get a ticket.
Yeah?
Yeah, if you any backfires are illegal.
I do shit like that all the time. What makes them so illegal? That's not yeah.
Just because it's loud. And it's not supposed to be doing that.
Yeah. Should hear my fucking car on a cold start when I leave. Like when I leave my job. Every time I let off the gas, it's just making sounds like that.
Really?
But that's a tune, yeah.
That's like Caden's car.
Mm-hmm. Oh, mine's, yeah, it's 100% louder in the winter. Jesus.
It's just like loud all the time.
These people are like, there's that kid again.
That's my neighbor.
The loud ass Subaru. Turning it on at 10 in the morning, waking me up.
Yeah.
Fucking bitch. Temple mom my ass. This guy wants me to check his mailbox. I didn't check it. No, I did. Yeah. Oh, it's here now. Nah, but Manny, when you're watching this, I really did check your mailbox. Trust me.
Yeah, baby.
Sheesh. A little snow drift real quick. What we do? Well, this woman. She's like, that fucking asshole.
Windows open one.
What was he doing? Making his car go sideways? Doesn't he know that's dangerous? Woo! This kid went in the snow that time. That's a good thing about Subarus. You go in the snow a little bit and you have no worries. You know you're gonna come right back out.
I'm gonna see. I think I'm gonna put the silencer in before I go to work, just to be safe.
This guy wants to be safe. You gotta live
Bro.
dangerously.
I don't mind driving without it. I don't
Gang,
give a fuck.
gang, gang.
I'm just saying.
We're Fast and Furious out here. He's Paul Walker because he's white. I'm Vin Diesel because not that.
just fucking turbo noise, bro.
That's nice. Oh my god, what is he doing? What is that?
I want to see what happens. I want to see how it sounds. I'm just curious.
Yeah. Curious. Yeah, okay. Alright. This is it with the silencer on now. Ew.
Oh my god, it's so quiet.
Ew.
That's weird. I mean, it's kind of nice because it's not like screaming. It looks gay, but I don't know. Let's do it.
Come on, give it a little rev there. Alright.
Now it sounds more raspy. Like, it sounds like raspy, but I feel like it won't be like it's not gonna be as loud driving.
Yeah.
Like I can keep it quiet.
Like idling, for sure it'll be better now.
I think I'm gonna drive to work with this thing and see how it is. If it's not that bad, I'll leave it. If it sounds like shit, I'll just say fuck it and deal with it.
Yeah.
So,
And of course, take it off for car meets and stuff like that.
It's like a fucking beam of air.